Have a good one. Can I get a Tesla 9 or 2? One small, two medium. One small. High five.
Yeah, but like we're so close.
Yeah.
Oh, gotta see. Wow, the line starts all the way over there.
For what? For what?
Huh?
What is it for?
To go inside here. The line goes all the way over there. And they go all the way inside there. Oh, wow.
Wait in the
Oh,
line.
look at that view.
Wait, what? Hey, look at that yellow on the tree.
I know.
The yellow one. Wait, is it dancing also? The yellow one?
Is that too much fun?